Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Ron here again, and I want to show in this short video how to upgrade from your level 1 position in your back office. Now, your partner, your sponsor, will have paid for your level 1, your bronze level 1 position of 35 Tron. So that position has already been paid for you. Now, the secret of this program is you want to get into these higher levels as soon as possible, especially that we are so early in the program. You know, we're only about a week in as of this video. And most of the people in this program, the large majority of the people in this program, are still on level 1. And if you're going to stay on level 1 and just kind of sit there and kind of wait the cycle, I mean, it may take a while. It's not going to happen for you, as quickly as you would like. I don't want you to be disappointed, but that's just the reality of these programs. If you want to start making money quickly, you want to start upgrading into some of these higher levels. And the main point being is once you do, you're in there for life, and then you can keep earning on those levels over and over and over again. And this program has been designed to be affordable so that even bumping up into those higher levels is very inexpensive as far as your out-of-pocket costs. You can always wait. You know, if you're paying it forward for a lot of people and you want to wait to upgrade to some of those higher levels out of profits, you can certainly do that. But the more time that goes by, the more people enter that level, the longer it may take for you to cycle that particular level. Now, the good news is we're growing so quickly that some of these levels are cycling, pretty fast. I mean, I've cycled a level 1 matrix a dozen times already. I've cycled, levels 2, 3, 4, 5, like 3 or 4 times already. And you only pay once. So I only paid to get into those levels one time, but yet you cycle over and over again. So the way you upgrade is you're going to, from your back office, you're going to click on purchase positions, which I've had, and this screen should come up. Now, you don't need to do anything with position number 1 because you're going to get a new position every time you cycle. So you want to start with position number 2. And you can see how inexpensive it is to upgrade into these higher levels. It's only 60 TRX for level 2, 85 TRX for level 3, 110 TRX for level 4, and level 5 position, 165. If you total up levels 2, 3, 4, and 5, that's 420 Tron. And that's equal to about $21 or so, $21.50. So you can see you can upgrade all the way up to the Infinity Boost position level 5 for $21. And ladies and gentlemen, trust me, you want to do that like today. Okay, you want to do that today. The people that are making the money in this program have already, they're up to that level 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if you can do that as quickly as possible, do it. Like I said, all the way to level 5 is only $21. You want to get to level 10 eventually on the bronze. We actually do have people just starting to earn money on on the silver levels. Very, very few people in those levels. But you want to try to get up to level 10 as quickly as possible. All the way up to 10 will cost you a little bit more money, probably close to about $100 or so US to get all the way up to level 10. But then when you see the return, that's possible, especially if you're paying it forward and you're bringing in 5, 10, 15, 20 people, because once those people start upgrading into those levels, it's like sponsoring them for the first time, because you're going to earn those recurring bonuses every time they cycle a level, every time they upgrade a level. Hey, that's what you do. So if you're on level 1, you want to upgrade to level 2, you're going to click on that. You're going to click on the purchase tab. It's going to take, thank you for purchasing bronze level 2, make the payment of 60 TRS. You're going to click on the coin payments button. That's going to bring up the coin payments page. You're going to put your first name, last name, put your email in there, select the coin, complete the checkout. Now, I'm not going to do that because that's going to start a timer. But when you click the complete checkout button, the address where you're going to send payment to is going to come up. The QR code that you can scan with your phone, or the actual wallet address that you can copy and paste into whatever Tron wallet you are using. And then you send whatever number of Tron. In this case, it's going to be 60 tron. So that's all you do. It will take, you confirm it, it's going to take probably 10, 15, 20 minutes maybe to activate your position. You will receive an email from CoinMaimon saying that they have that you've submitted a payment when you first click that button, and when they have actually received the payment from your wallet, you'll get another email saying that payment has been received. And once that payment has been received and your position is activated, you'll get another email from TRX Infinity saying welcome to bronze level 2. So that's how easy it is to upgrade into the higher levels. You must upgrade in order, so you can't skip levels and go all the way to 5. You have to purchase level 2 first, level 3, 4, 5. I suggest you get into those higher levels as soon as possible. That's where the money is in this program. This is Ron. Hope that helps. Have an awesome day.